Look at this. Can you get over it?
So as you can see, I have really flat hair that is thin. And I'm always looking for a great volumizer that doesn't cause my hair to be dry and brittle. I'm actually trying to grow it and I don't want it breaking off before I can get it where I want it to go. I'm going to be using Color Wow's Carb Cocktail to add volume to my hair. I'm going to jump in the shower now and then I'm going to show you how it works.
I'm out of the shower, and here it is again. It's the Color Wow Carb Cocktail. As opposed to being a mousse that, you know, as I said before, dries out your hair, this is actually a leave-in treatment that conditions the hair, has heat protectant in it, and is just going to really plump up each of my strands. Few pumps. It's totally clear also, so it's not going to dull my color at all. Tiny bit more because my hair is pretty thin. You'll see that in one blow dry, my hair is going to be way thicker. Look at this. Can you get over it? This Carb Cocktail has just literally put on pounds of hair. Here it is up close, because you're going to want to try this.